Hey coders, Shri here and welcome back to our channel. From the video topic you might have understood that what we are going to do in today's project. Yes, we're gonna learn how to create a gallery using a Flexbox. It's going to be simple, it's going to be easy, not so long and lengthy, and I'm gonna explain all the codes briefly so that you can understand easily. Alright, and so yeah, before we see the codes what about Flexbox, how to make a gallery using Flexbox, let's learn about what is Flexbox exactly. All right, but before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Let's code together, let's learn together.
Flexbox is one-dimensional CSS layout that can control the way items are spaced out and aligned within a corner. Well, now we can understand this with a simple example. So let us first open our Word and let us take a shape, or a square shape. This square shape represents a Flexbox, or you can also consider it as a container. Alright. So Flexbox is nothing but a box or container which will contain some specific elements inside it, like images or text and other stuff. So now this is our box right here, and if I just go on and draw a shape like this, imagine these are the elements inside it. I put some images or text boxes inside the Flexbox. Now what Flexbox does is when we try to adjust it, it will as we adjust the Flexbox, the elements inside it will automatically be adjusted according to the Flexbox. And that is why it is known as Flexbox, because Flex stand for flexibility and box stand for a container. So yeah, this is the work of simply the work of the Flexbox. Now using this Flexbox, we have to create our gallery page. So we have to include some of the images and into our gallery, and as we change the dimension of the Flexbox, the dimension of the elements will also change accordingly. So let's just go to our HTML tab and start writing our HTML codes. And right here, as you can see, I have started writing my HTML codes. First we have to write the basics. The HTML codes are not going to be much lengthy. Just the images and SRCs are going to increase the length of the HTML, but all total the number of line codes would be less. So here, as you can see, I'm adding a width, a meta content. So if we will open it on a phone or any other device, it will show the web page according to the device width. All right, it will adjust accordingly. And then we have to link the HTML with the style sheet, which is gallery.css, as we have made the file. And then we have to add a header file, give it a class header, and then inside the header we have to write the h1, which would be let us take anime gallery. You can write anything you want. All right, you can modify it according to your whatever you need. After writing all these codes, now we have to add some of the images links. All right, so let's do that quickly. And yeah, as you guys see, I have added some of the images. I have copied it from the Pinterest. Okay, don't worry. And as you can see, this is our base HTML web page. This looks dead, but because of these these fun posters, it look really nice. Now what I have to do is I have to align them all so that it will fit into a particular size, so it would look more organized. Now let's write our CSS codes. The star here stands and denotes the entire web page. All right, so I'm doing here box string, border box, and then body we're gonna keep margin 0, font family sans serif. Later on, I'm thinking to change the font according to me. Well, for now, as for you guys, I'm setting this, and then keep it in uppercase. Well, I don't know what's my obsession with the blue violet color, but I really love it. All right, I don't know why I love the blue violet color. Even my own channel, this channel is based on blue violet and dark blue color. And also my main channel, which is obstruct. If you don't know, guys, I have another channel which is my main channel, kind of. I considered it my main channel because it has 500 plus subscribers. If you don't know, go check it out. The link's given in the description. All right, and that channel's banner is also based out of a blue violet space gradient or something like that. All right, so yeah, I'm just obsessed with the blue violet color. And as you can see, I'm writing some of the CSS codes. I will be providing all these codes in my GitHub link. The link would be given in the description. Please check it out. You can get the codes too. And yeah. No, okay. So these are our HTML codes, and then yeah, these are some of the links I have added from the Pinterest. Now I have given them a alt, and then these are our CSS codes. It's about 70 lines. I mean, sorry, 60 lines. So yep, this is all. Now what we're gonna do is now we're gonna run the HTML file real quick, and here you go. So this is the base. I mean, this is the most basic look of the Flexbox, and this is how the Flexbox is going to look. Completely organized. Everything is completely organized and in a perfect row and column. All right, this is what Flexbox is. But now I'm going to modify it according to me. So stay tuned for the final result. So guys, as I had discussed in my previous video, you can get the previous video link up in the I option. All right, so this is one of the tools that I was showing you. This is the CS gradient tool. All right, and this is how we are going to set our gradient, and we just copied our gradient there. We copied the CSS code right there, and now what we're gonna do is we have to remove this element right here, background. And here we removed it, and we have to paste the gradient that we had copied from the website. And wait a minute, yup, let's just set it up a little bit so that it won't mess up the entire code. And now see the result. As I had said you that I was going to show you every tool that I have showed you. I'm going to use it all, and this is how I used it. All right, so finally guys, I have done all the required modification that I want to be in the web page, and as you can see, I have added 2 extra images, one in the header file and another outside the div box, which is right here, and another in the header file right there. Header element right there. Now why I have put those outside, I'm going to show you later on. And as you can see, I have added I have added a SVG right here, background SVG, and some extra CSS codes right there. And this is how it looks, guys. As you can see, there is my logo right there and anime gallery, and I have added a background image, I mean a polka dot look to the anime gallery. And then as you can see, I have also adjusted the posters that has been displayed in the Flexbox, and they look really nice, and their dimensions are completely full. So now you can, and also you can easily click on any of the photo and download it. I don't know why I just kept this your name character right here, but I just love this character, so I just put her right there. All right, now you can just go to press on any photo and directly download it. All right, and save it in your laptop. It's easy. I'm gonna post this as a website, don't worry guys. I'm gonna provide the link of this of the website in my description. So yeah, it is what it is. This was the complete guide to create your own gallery using a Flexbox. All the source code, all the base codes would be provided to you in our in the GitHub, and the link is in the description. All right, check it out.
So that was our gallery. I made it using anime pics. All right, you can use your pics, your photos, or any or images you want, anything you want. You can design it according to you. But the base codes are something like this. All right, you can modify it according to you, where you want to place your where you want to place your photos and videos. Everything, it's up to you. All right. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, and tada, bye bye.